Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to share about my curriculum vitae. My name is Suci Aprilia. I was born in Pekanbaru, 19 April 1988. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name is Suci Aprilia. You can call me Suci. My name is 1948201120. I want to sharing about my resume journal. Phytochemical screening and bioactivity studies of Phyllanthus wactianus. Abstract. This study was designed to determine the primary and secondary metabolite present from the leaf of Phyllanthus wactianus using various analytic techniques. Furthermore, the antioxidant and anti-inflammation activities of ethanolic extract of the leaf of P. wactianus were investigated using standard model. The results showed that the leaf exhibit good antioxidant activity and protective to HRBC atau human red blood cell membrane due to the presence of some valuable phytochemical present in the leaf. Introduction. Phyllanthus wactianus, new art a synonym Eridia floribunda Euphorbiaceae, is monoecious substructure to one brain cells in low spiral pubescence. Leaves are alternate, distant, elliptic to oblong, dark green above. Flowers are reddish and fruit are pendulous throughout the year. 2. Material and method. 2.1 Collection and identification of plant material. The leaves of Wactianus were collected from the Javadi Hills, Vellore districts, Tamil Nadu during December 210. They were identified in Rapinath Herbarium, St. Joseph's College, Tirukopalli, and Tamil Nadu, India. Drug and chemical. DPPH was obtained from Media Laboratorios Pvt Ltd, Mumbai, India. All other chemicals in this study were of analytic grade. 2. Determination of moisture and OS content. About 5 grams of fresh leaf were taken in a pre-wax silica cruller. It was kept in iron oven from 4 at 210 degrees Celsius. Then the wax of the dry leaf was found out. From the difference in wax, the amount of water was determined. The ash content was determined by includation of the dry plant sample in movable furnace at 400 degrees Celsius. 2.4 Quantitative determinant of primary metabolite. Their preparation of solution selection, determination of sodium, potassium, and calcium, determinant of iron and phosphorus, determinant of sulfur, determinant of copper, manganese, and zinc, determinants of magnesium, determinant of vitamin. 2.5 Quantitative determinant of secondary metabolite. The total flavonoid and phenolic content were quantitative by spectrophotometric method using volume in Sicolatus reagent. The other secondary metabolites such as alkaloids, tannin, lignin, glycoside, spermantine, terpenoid, and saponin. The mobile paste consists of solvent methanol and solvent B 0,5% V per V orthophosphoric acid in water. The data were interpreted by the Millennium Chromatography Manager V4 software to seek in vitro screening for antioxidant activity of leaf extract preparation of sample selection. For leafers were collection, set, dried, and powdered mystically about 100 gram of the powder were extract with 1000 milli of 70% ethanol. For percolation method using chocolate extract for the extract obtained was evaporator at 45 derajat Celcius to get a semi-solid massa. The yield ethanolic extract was found to be 40%. This extract was used for future studies. DPPH radial cassating activity. To determine the DPPH axis of sample by Gemelli at method free radical siphoning protection. When antioxidant with DPPH, the PPX was converted to dipenyl bipyrrolitazine with discorrelation. 271. Calculation. Presence of radical A minus B per A kali 100. Reducing power assay. To determine the reducing power assay of sample Yilderman et al., 1 ml of leaf extract was mixed with was incubated at 50 derajat Celcius for 20 menit perturbation of circulation acid 10% was added the mixture without then centrifuge at 3000 rpm for 10 minutes. The upper layer of solution was mixed with distilled water. Hydrogen peroxide activity. Next, calculation. For calculation, use rumus result and discussion. The medicinal plant were analyzed to have the mineral potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, iron, phosphor, and potassium. The result of quantitative estimation of primary and secondary metabolites are given in table 1 and 2 respectively. The moisture and content were found to be 1,02% and 60% respectively. The highest presence of iron and magnesium was noticed in the leaf of Vitinus. Calcium was the most abundant macro element in the plant. It might be the plant acting as a bond setting for ethanol medicine practice. The presence of zinc the plant quick tannins play a major role as catalytic over 200 enzyme and capable inflammation immune system. This is table. Sodium 0,58%, potasium 3,26%, kalsium 4,58%, sulfur 0,48%, copper 1,05%, magnesiumnya 12,36%, zinc 2,19%. Total flavonoid phenol 0,56%, tannin 0,56%, alkaloid 0,82%, glikosidnya 0,08%, serpentin 0,06%, terpenoid 0,08%, saponin 0,02%. And next table in vitro in the flame activity Vectinus. Concurrent extract 100 mg per mili, present protectionnya minus 54,7%, 200 mg per mili, present protectionnya 0,57%, 300 ekstrak miligram per mili, present protectionnya 123,20%. Conclusion. The interpretation of the result gives some usable conclusion, and this study therefore provides some biochemical basis for the ethno-medicinal use of extract from P. Vectinus in the treatment and prevention of various incurable diseases as rich source of phytochemical, mineral, and vitamin present in the leaf of the plant. Of the plant, Vectinus can be further studied to use as key ingredient for some value drug. Furthermore, in the concluded that the plant extract as a good source of antioxidant and membrane stabilization due to phytochemical present in the plant. Okay, thank you for your attention. I apologize for my salah dalam pengucapan. I'm so sorry. And I want to say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.